Former President Trump was present in New York State Court to participate in his trial on charges of false declaration of assets and illegal profits. Former U.S. President Donald Trump appeared at the New York State Court in Manhattan on the morning of October 2, about an hour before the trial of him and his associates began. This is the continuation of the greatest witch hunt in history. We have a great company. I've built a great business with some of the best real estate in the world. Now I had to face a fake judge, Mr. Trump said, before entering court. Former President Trump before entering trial in Manhattan on October 2. Video, Reuters. Alina Habba, a lawyer representing Mr. Trump, said they would continue to fight with hope for law and order in court. I don't have much faith in the justice system, but I have a lot of faith in Donald Trump, she said. New York Attorney General Letitia James, who filed the lawsuit against the former U.S. president, declared no one is above the law. The law is very strong but also very fragile. Our lawsuit will prove that, Ms. James said before entering court. Attorney General Letitia James in September 2022 filed a lawsuit against former President Trump and his associates for allegedly inflating assets by 17.35%, equivalent to about $812.2 billion in period 2011-2021, making banks and insurance companies responsible. Enjoy more preferential loans and insurance contracts. On August 30, the New York Attorney General released documents showing that Trump's asset declaration plan helped him illegally profit hundreds of millions of dollars. She proposed a fine of $250 million, permanently banning Mr. Trump and his sons Donald Jr. and Eric doing business in New York, as well as prohibiting them from participating in the real estate market in the state for 5 years. Trump denied the accusations, claiming that the New York judiciary had interfered in the election and called the trial a witch hunt for political purposes. The former U.S. president also affirmed that he has very little debt and owns huge assets, affirming that he will fight for his name and reputation at trial. However, the judge in charge of the case last month declared the former U.S. president responsible for the fraud, adding that he had inflated assets in his financial statements for a century. In addition to the civil lawsuit in New York, Mr. Trump is facing 4 criminal trials for actions before, during and after his presidency, including 2 state lawsuits in New York and Georgia and 2 federal courts in Florida and Washington.